Hey guys, it's Kim. My real name is Kim, but in case you were curious, thank you for joining me for another video, and if you're new, then welcome. Today will be part one of this specific wig series. I'm going to be unboxing a wig that I got from Amazon, so we just gonna get into it. So it came in this like salmon colored bag. And I'm gonna show you everything it came with, and then we can talk about like the wig. Okay, so I got a headband wig, so it comes with 2 headbands. I have a bunch. Anybody who has seen my other unboxing videos knows how many of these cheetah, zebra, animal printed headbands that I have. If you haven't seen my unboxing of, I believe it was Ali Pearl, check this link above right here, or right here, the link that's gonna be up there. So I got this cute navy blue and like pink and purple headband, and then this cheetah print headband. It also came with some lashes. They kind of remind me of the ones that I have on right now, so I'm sure I'll like those. It came with 2 wig caps. Okay, and it came with this card. It's like all over the place. Oh, like this. Okay, so it says it's a handmade wig. The brand I believe is Catti hair wigs. It's C-A-T-T-I hair wigs. But yeah, it gives like directions on how to take care of the hair. I guess we can finally get into the actual wig now. So, as a lot of you may know, I already have a headband wig, and that one is like a curly / deeper wave texture. I know I don't wear weaves and things like that often, but my favorite texture is body wave. Oh, this takes me back to when I used to buy bundles. Oh my gosh, y'all. First things first, the hair is ridiculously soft, so smooth. Barely any like flyaways. Y'all see this? Like barely any flyaways. Now the color is like a dark brown. So I guess this would kind of be like a 1B, I think it is. Wow, it's been so long. I mean, I just got a headband wig for Christmas, but like, geez, it feels like it's been so long. Here is the inside. Has clips on the sides, in the front, and in the back. And then this is the headband that straps around the head and the back to like tighten it. I usually don't use the combs on headband wigs. I just put it over my hair. Now I'm looking at this and I'm trying to figure out if my head will fit. But I realized with headband wigs, since you can like stretch it, like even if some of my hair would hang out like right here, like at this piece, the headband will cover it or the hair will cover it. So we will see. I hope this works. I'm kind of nervous though. Like, y'all, like, I don't know, y'all. I might have to like braid my hair down real tight. I don't know. In my next video, it'll be like an initial review. I'm nervous. Like, I wish, like, I don't know why I decided to open this wig when I had like my hair done. I don't know. But yeah, so this is it. Oh, I got it in 18 inches, I believe. Yeah, 18 inches. It's been so long since I ordered this. Like, I thought 18 inches was gonna be longer than this. Oh well, we'll see. Once again, the brand is called Catti hair wigs.